This green smoothie is the perfect healthy morning or afternoon drink. I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And remember, if you love this recipe, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's recap the ingredients you need to make this recipe. First up, we got pineapple, we've got some mango, banana, spinach, and some water. All right, guys, this is the easiest green smoothie. It's gonna take you just a couple minutes to make this. We're first gonna start with adding our pineapple to the blender, and I am using frozen pineapple here. The reason why I did that is because it's actually just easier to go buy frozen pineapple, and also since it's already frozen, it's a bit icy, and I like my smoothies a little icy, so it all works. So here is 1 cup of pineapple. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of mango, and again, this is frozen mango, so same thing as the pineapple. We're gonna add 1 banana. 1 ripe banana, I should say. Don't add like a green banana. That's not gonna work here. You definitely want it to be nice and ripe. We're also gonna add 1 cup of spinach, and it's the spinach that makes the green in the green juice. You can also add any other green leafy vegetables that you want, like kale. But that's pretty much it. Oh, actually, there's one more step we need to do. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of water, and this just loosens the smoothie texture a little bit. I tried it without adding the water, and it just felt like a little too thick. So let's see how this turns out. You could also add some ice if you wanted it to be really like a very frozen smoothie type of texture, but I'm gonna go without since I'm using the frozen fruit. All right, so let's just give this a blend. I mean, I really thought this would be the one video where everything went perfectly smooth and there were no problems at all, but of course that's never gonna happen when you're filming a video. It just got a little bit stuck on the bottom. So easy remedy, let's just take a spatula and let's just kind of push it down. If you just give this a nice little push here, that should do it. There it goes. All right. Let's see how we did. Oh, Aman, get a shot of that. Look how beautiful that green smoothie looks. You know, one other addition that you could add to this green smoothie is a little protein powder if you wanted a little more protein in your diet. But honestly, I think you could do without the protein powder. I like a nice and basic smoothie. Now look how beautifully thick this green smoothie is. It looks so incredible. I cannot wait to give it a try. But before I do, if you love this recipe and you want to see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give this a try. Man, this green smoothie has the perfect amount of sweetness in it, and it's super healthy because of the spinach. I know you guys are gonna love this smoothie. You've got to give it a try. I'll see you in the next video.